Yes. Oh, oh my word.
I think we should just scoot back. Beauty.
What's going on, guys? We're out here. We made it to Kansas. Wind's blowing, snow's blowing. It's gonna be a cold one. It's gonna be a crazy one. So we got to hike in there about a little bit more than a half mile, but it's loaded up. We're gonna shoot some pintail limits. So hold on tight. We're ready to go. Got Elliott over here, Izzy, Aiden, and Chief. We're making it out there, hiking in all the gear, and gonna do our best. So we'll see you guys when the birds start flying.
There's Jordan's load. There's my load. And there's Aiden. Old Izzy's making the trip today. Alright, we ready to roll? Down the dark road we go.
Hey, what's your thought on the hunt, Elliott?
I am optimistic. Okay, let me think. I'm gonna say 12 for each. That's gonna be my prediction. 12 for each. With 2 geese.
That sounds like a pretty good prediction, yeah?
Man, but that's over your limit of pintails. You know, you can only get 2, right?
Hey, if any pintails comes in, you get first shot and we're backing you up. Yeah. It's gonna be like this. Bam, bam. If it's not dead on the first shot, right? You got it.
What do you got on your prediction, Aiden?
I'm gonna say 13 and 1 goose.
1 goose?
So basically the same as Elliott.
And how many pintail?
I'm 1.
1?
I'm gonna be really optimistic today.
Alright, fellas, well, we're out here. We're about 90% set up, 95% set up. We probably got maybe 30 minutes till shooting light, and the marsh is starting to freeze up on us, so we're gonna have a little bit of a battle here, keeping it cleared up. But we're committed at this point, so we'll give it a whirl. Hopefully we can keep it open and the birds drop right in here. I almost wanted to bust one of those. What's going on, folks? Well, we're making a move here real quick. Hole froze up, and we got birds all over the place. I don't know if you guys can see them here, flying around behind me. Ooh, there's a passage tail right there. Ooh. So it's windy. Hopefully you guys can hear the audio. Those birds are falling right in there, Elliott. So we're picking up all the decoys, and about 200 yards away we see birds falling in the hole. So we're gonna get out there, get set back up, and be ready to go. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. Sit, Chief. Sit. Yeah, it's a big hole open up here. There's still some sitting in it. Over here. It's right in front of me over here.
Is that where they're all sitting?
Yeah, I bumped them all off. There, I think there's some still in there. Yeah, there still is. Sit, Chief. Even further back. I got a shot on this. Oh, oh my word. I really want to take one of those. I could have busted him. Sit, Chief. No. Sit. Yeah, they're going back in that hole for sure.
Izzy, come here.
I could have popped mallards for sure. Oh,
they're back there.
You see this one cupping right there? Sit, Chief. Stop it. Yeah, you see where that one's landing?
Yeah.
They're not landing.
Okay.
But you see us right here, they're sitting in that hole too.
Oh, so you just get to that corner.
Man, Aiden probably could pop those.
Well, I'm worn out. You want to take the sled and run over there and start throwing out decoys while I'm behind you? We need to get going. They're going to try to come back in here.
Okay.
I'm just worn.
Oh, they're going that back hole.
We're just finished getting ready. Yeah, video it. We're wasting time.
Oh, this one right here, right front. Chief, go get him, buddy. Come on. Good boy, buddy. Good boy, buddy. Oh, never mind. Hey, Gib. Good boy, buddy. Hey, Gib. Good boy.
Nice. Hold on, let me get you.
One shot, one kill.
We're still setting up. I think we're gonna get him.
Yeah, I think the move was the right choice. We got another one coming in, cupping in hard to the left.
Well, let's get that, guys.
He's coming right in. You guys ready for this?
I'm not going to take it. I'm going to take a minute on this.
Are you filming this, Aiden?
No, I'm sorry, I'm not.
Oh, come on, man.
Just give me 1 second.
Let's just do it. We're going to limit out in here. Do what you want, but I wouldn't take that. Let's just get back and get set up.
He was banded.
I cannot get this bag open. There we go.
You need help? All right, folks. Setup number 2. We're here already. We're setting up, and I had one cup right in. Fatty greenhead right here, ready to go. So, Chief got the old retrieve, and we had some more work in. We had another one land there, and we're waiting for them to come in while we're all set up. So, we think they're going to do it. So. No. You ready? Go get him, Chief. Go get him, buddy. Ready? Go get him, Chief. Go get him, buddy.
Go.
Hey, go get him.
That was nice.
Over.
Out of my pouch. It's just frozen. This is gonna be an epic day. It'd be sweet if we could get that huge spot.
Good boy, Chief. Good boy. Very proud of you, buddy. Come on. Apologize for the blurs, guys. Elements getting on the camera here a little bit, but it's happening. We got birds working in here. Just shot a double. Got a little greedy, and went for the triple, but missed one. That key's coming in kind of high, but I'm gonna crouch down here. So, but here's what we got. Got 3 down, so it's going good. Those keys are pretty high. Don't think they're gonna do it. That's a little bit better there. My hands are freezing, but we're losing our asshole, so we're making a little bit of a move here. We're gonna move further back, take some of the decoys down, and we just had a couple groups work in here, and we couldn't finish them. Couldn't finish them just right, so we're gonna try to get them here and finish them, and get on some more birds. So that's the plan. Let's do it.
Hey.
Get away.
Hello. Get up. I don't know. I'm gonna go get that teal.
Hey, hey.
Where'd he come from?
Chief, go get him. You guys see that finger? It barely fits in the trigger hole.
Another single comes in like that. I'm not telling you guys.
That single is Golden Thomas.
No, you guys.
You could have shot it
He couldn't get his finger in his gun hole.
the whole time.
Yeah, the whole time.
He was going to.
I just figured when you guys weren't shooting that you guys were gonna let me shoot it. So.
That was not an act of kindness. Right?
Oh. Well, I appreciate. I don't know.
I'm just not in the mood to water swap. I don't need birds that much. I'm just enjoying being here.
Yeah, I'm in the mood to water swap.
Yeah, I'm good.
Aiden couldn't get his finger in the hole, so I was blessed with another bird. What do they say? One man's curse is another man's blessing. So I'll take it. I hope you can get your finger in next time, but here we go. All right, folks. Well, we're picking up here and getting all the stuff. We got to pick up 2 setups, so it's going to be a little bit of a work in progress here, but we're going to get it all done and get out of here. It's pretty cold, so holes are freezing up fast. Show you what we got here. We got a gaddy, 3 mallards, so can't complain about that. But our hole is freezing up fast. Temperature is dropping by the minute, so we're packing up, getting out of here. Not sure if this is going to be the end of the video or not, but awesome first day in Kansas, getting the birds, so can't complain about that. So big shout out to Elliott Graybeard from Freelance Duck Hunting having me out here again, so make sure you check out his channel over there. I'm sure you guys all have, but if you haven't, hit that sub button on his channel. He's putting out his hunts. He's got one more weekend out here, and make sure you hit the sub button on my channel as well. I got one more hunt coming out tomorrow with him. So that's all we got for today. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys next time.